Down the Glamis. Got to head up the Mummel and have a scratch up there. The Cooper River runs in there. Like under this tree root here, all decaying bedrock. Already got one flake out of it. I'm going to have a bit more of a go now. Prospector's lunch. Just up the Mummel here, right? Have a size of the bedrock that's getting around here. Oh, look at this. Woohoo! Fucking beautiful part of the world up here. Here's our first bit of gold for the day. Only tiny, but got two little specks coming out here. Yeah. A bad pan out of that crevice, good piece there. There's a couple micro flakes, but one way to start a fire. Good today up the Mummel, but we're walking home, me and Zach. Probably 5 k's to go before it gets dark. Little bird nest. Put him back up in the tree for something else to use. Chasing the light. Prospector's life walking home.